First American is hiring, and this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. As a leader in the mortgage servicing industry, First American is renowned for its innovation, inclusivity, and commitment to excellence. This is a company that doesn't just talk about putting people first, they live it. With a track record that includes 9 consecutive years on the Fortune 100 Best Companies to Work For list, along with accolades for being a top workplace for women, diversity, and LGBTQ plus employees, First American stands out as a company where you can truly thrive. Before I dive into the details of this incredible opportunity, do me a quick favor. If you find this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on great remote job openings like this one. Your support means the world to us and keeps you in the loop for future updates. So let's talk about the role. First American is looking to hire customer resolution specialists. This fully remote position is perfect for anyone passionate about providing exceptional service and solving problems. As a customer resolution specialist, you'll be responsible for handling escalations and ensuring customers feel supported and heard. You'll communicate through phone, email, or written correspondence, researching issues in depth to provide timely and thorough resolutions. It's about more than just answering questions. You'll be solving problems, addressing concerns, and making customers feel valued every step of the way. This isn't a cookie cutter customer service role. You'll get to manage a pipeline of cases, contribute to process improvements, and identify trends that could enhance the overall customer experience. You'll need strong organizational and communication skills, a knack for problem solving, and a passion for making a difference. And the best part, you don't need a degree for this role, just the right experience and a desire to grow with a forward thinking company. Let's talk about why working at First American is such a great move. The position offers a competitive salary ranging from $20.70 to $34.50 per hour, depending on your experience and location. On top of that, you'll enjoy an impressive benefits package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, and even an employee stock purchase plan. This is a role where you can excel professionally while enjoying a strong work-life balance. But what really sets First American apart is its inclusive, people-first culture. This is a company that celebrates diversity, equity, and individuality. They embrace the idea that the key to success is creating an environment where everyone feels they belong. When you work here, you're encouraged to bring your authentic self to the table every day. If this sounds like the perfect fit for you, don't wait. You can apply now using the link in the description box below. This is your chance to join a company that values its employees, fosters growth, and offers a career full of opportunities. Before you go, be sure to check out our other videos and visit our website for even more remote job openings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to landing your dream job with First American.